I'd like to show you how to change the wheel on your rapid edge tuner. We are going to loosen these 3 screws here. We're not going to touch that, and that way you'll retain whatever setting your tuner is set up as far as the angle you want to sharpen your skis to. So just loosen them first and then take them out. That's that one loosened right off. If you'd been using your machine, this gives you a chance to clean everything out behind here. I use an old toothbrush to clean it out with. There's the battery, there's the magnet you might want to clean up. Now in order to undo this, we have to undo this washer. You've got a key that comes with your tuner that fits in here, and there's a button under here that when you push in on that button and then you turn this, eventually it goes in a little further and it locks it so that you're now able to undo this. There we go. And that way you can take the wheel off. Now there is a washer under here that if you take that out, you're going to have to be careful to put it back in with this groove engaged with the flat sides of the shaft here. So I'm going to put this back on. Just turn it a little bit. There, it dropped in. Now you always want to make sure that all those surfaces that the wheel goes on and is going on the shaft that are very clean, because you get a little bit of dirt in there and it may make the wheel wobble. Then I put this back on. Put the washer on. Now when you go to tighten, it should just be a short distance to tighten it. There it goes, just a little bit tightens it. And I'm going to give a little spin to make sure this is actually spinning true. Yeah, see, I just looked down against a light colored surface and I can see if it's spinning true, which it is doing. We'll put this back on. And don't do any one of these up until you've got all 3 of them started. And again, it's just snug, not super tight. There you go. Now it's still at the 3 degrees it was originally, and your wheel has changed, and you're all ready to go tuning. Thank you.